Look.
Hello. Watching ESPN.
Hey. Hey, boys.
Sports Center.
Hey, boys.
Say hi, mamas.
Say hi.
Yes. 20 years from now, we'll watch this and watching Sports Center again.
Hey.
Commenting on the games.
Hey.
Jack's like,
Lucas. Lucas. Hey, look at the camera.
hey guys.
You get tired of that camera.
Jack says, what are you doing, Lucas?
Watching TV.
Scoring again. Oh, you don't like that
Talking
score?
to. Who are you talking to?
Hey, buddy.
Let me sit with your friend.
Jack.
Here.
Talk to Lucas. Can you get a smile? Can we get a smile from you? Can we get a smile, guys? Hi.
Hey, Lucas.
Hello.
Lucas.
Can we get smiles? Can we get smiles?
He's way too into the TV.
Jack.
Once again, Jack is like
Look on his face.
recliner. Uh-oh.
Bye-bye, Lucas.
Okay, wiggle worm. Okay.
How's your sister these days?
Hi, Lucas.
She's good. Busy with
Can you say hi?
kids.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
A little
Yeah.
bit.
What?
And she's still working, so.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.